Business in today's real estate market. In today's dynamic real estate market, success relies on understanding the many specialized roles that shape the business of real estate. Each professional, from developers to appraisers, contributes uniquely to the life cycle of property. This section connects what you have already learned about the real estate industry's structure to how professionals operate within it. You will now explore the main functional areas of real estate activity, the wide range of professional specialties, and the property types they serve. By recognizing these interrelated professions, you gain a more complete picture of how the real estate market functions as a coordinated system rather than isolated tasks. The real estate industry can be divided into 6 primary functional areas: creating, managing, and maintaining, destroying, holding, regulating, and transferring. Each area is populated by professionals who specialize in specific parts of the process. Whether someone develops land, manages a building, finances a project, or regulates construction, all are part of a network that shapes how property moves from an idea to a usable, profitable asset. Creating real estate is the first step. Developers buy land, arrange financing, oversee construction, and coordinate professionals to bring projects to life. A developer in Arizona might purchase desert land, obtain zoning approval, and work with builders to create a residential community like Eastmark in Mesa. Developers face high financial risks but stand to gain significant rewards when projects succeed. Market analysts support developers by studying trends and comparable sales, often called a comparative market analysis or CMA, to determine pricing and demand. Architects design functional, code-compliant structures, while engineers ensure that the building is structurally sound. Surveyors establish precise boundary lines, and insurers provide protection against physical loss or liability. Public and private planners help shape community growth, ensuring that new developments fit within long-term regional plans. Each role contributes to transforming raw land into an asset ready for use. Once real estate is created, it must be managed and maintained. Property managers handle daily operations, including collecting rent, coordinating maintenance, and addressing tenant concerns. For example, an apartment complex in downtown Phoenix relies on a property management company to maintain landscaping, repair plumbing, and ensure lease compliance. Asset managers, on the other hand, oversee multiple properties or portfolios with the goal of maximizing overall returns for investors. Maintenance engineers and technicians keep systems like HVAC, plumbing, and electrical functioning properly. Their work ensures safety and comfort while protecting the owner's investment. Sometimes properties outlive their usefulness, which introduces the destroying phase. Demolition contractors and excavators remove structures that are unsafe or economically impractical to repair. For instance, an old strip mall may be demolished to make room for a new mixed-use development. Excavators then prepare the land for new foundations, utilities, or landscaping. In the holding phase, investors and corporate managers play key roles. Investors purchase and hold properties to generate rental income or long-term appreciation. A common example is a real estate investor buying several single-family homes in Gilbert to rent out until market conditions are favorable for resale. Corporate managers may oversee company-owned properties, ensuring operational efficiency and profitability. Regulating real estate is essential for protecting the public and maintaining order in development. This function involves government officials such as assessors, zoning administrators, and building inspectors. Assessors determine property values for taxation purposes. Zoning administrators ensure that land use complies with local ordinances. Building inspectors verify that construction meets safety codes. Regulation also includes enforcing federal and state laws such as the Fair Housing Act and Arizona's building codes, ensuring fairness, safety, and proper land use. Finally, transferring property connects all previous functions. Real estate brokers and agents facilitate the sale or lease of properties. Appraisers determine fair market value, and title and escrow companies ensure that ownership transfers smoothly and legally. Lenders and mortgage brokers finance transactions, while attorneys prepare the necessary legal documents. For example, in a residential sale in Scottsdale, the agent lists the property, the appraiser confirms value, the lender funds the mortgage, and the title company finalizes ownership transfer. Beyond functional specialization, professionals often focus on particular property types. Residential real estate includes single-family homes, condominiums, and vacation homes. Commercial real estate encompasses offices, retail centers, and hotels. Industrial properties include manufacturing and storage facilities, while agricultural land supports farming and ranching. Some professionals specialize in investment properties, assets purchased primarily for income, such as apartment complexes or mixed-use buildings. Special-purpose properties, such as hospitals, schools, or churches, serve unique community needs and often require expert knowledge to manage or value. Review summary. In this chapter, you learned that real estate is a multifaceted industry involving many professional specialties. Developers, architects, surveyors, and engineers work together to create real property. Property and asset managers maintain it, while demolition experts remove outdated structures. Investors and corporate managers hold and profit from real estate assets. Regulators such as assessors and zoning administrators ensure compliance with laws, and brokers, lenders, and attorneys handle property transfers. Each function contributes to the efficient operation of the real estate market. You also discovered how professionals may specialize in different property types: residential, commercial, industrial, agricultural, and special purpose, each requiring distinct expertise. Discussion. Why do developers assume greater risk than most other real estate professionals? Answer. Developers invest large sums of capital and face uncertainty in market demand, construction costs, and financing, but they also have the potential for the greatest reward if the project succeeds. How do property managers and asset managers differ in their roles? Answer. Property managers handle the day-to-day operations of individual properties, while asset managers oversee portfolios, focusing on maximizing the financial performance of multiple properties. What role do assessors play in regulating real estate? Answer. Assessors determine the taxable value of properties within their jurisdiction, ensuring fair and consistent property taxation. Why is specialization by property type important in real estate? Answer. Each property type, residential, commercial, industrial, agricultural, or special purpose, has different legal, financial, and management considerations. Specialization allows professionals to develop deeper expertise and provide more effective services. Closing remarks. The real estate market operates through a delicate balance of creativity, management, regulation, and transfer. Every professional, from the developer who imagines a new community to the agent who helps a buyer find a home, plays a crucial role in the industry's success. By understanding these interdependent specialties, real estate professionals can better appreciate the complexity of the market and identify the niche where their skills can thrive. Whether your interest lies in development, property management, appraisal, or brokerage, the foundation of knowledge you've gained here will help you build a rewarding and ethical career in today's ever-evolving real estate market.